How to remove saved account on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application, and basically you will be directed here to your home page. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part you will see five different options there. You'll see a home icon, you will see a search icon, plus icon, the real icon, and then your profile. Tap on that, and here on the upper right, you'll see your burger sign there. Tap on that and go to settings. Now under settings, now here under settings is what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see the login sections, and you'll see two different options there. You'll see add account and log out your account. Tap on log out account, and then here just tap on save here, and then just confirm to log out your account. Once you log out your account, you will see these accounts that actually are logged into your account. So how, since you want to remove your saved account on Instagram, so we have actually saved this account, so just tap on the upright, you will see gear icon there. Tap on that, and here you will be able to manage your profile. So you have to just swipe to tap on the profile's name there, or the account that you want to remove, and then tap on remove profile and just tap on confirm. And basically that is how you remove saved account on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.